Hey guys, today I will share with you how to update your TP-Link Wi-Fi router firmware. Before upgrading the router firmware version, first we need to check the router model and hardware version. Same model router, it can be different hardware version. We can check it physically from the router level, or if we want, we can check it after logging into the web interface. This is the router model, it's a C6 and V3.20, this is the hardware version. Now we have to download the router firmware from the TP-Link official website. This is the TP-Link official website. From here we will download the router firmware version. We will search by our router model, C6. Please look at this is our router model. From here we have to click on support. We know that our router hardware version it was an V3.20, so we will select V3.20. After selecting the router hardware version, from here we will click on firmware, and then we will click on download. Within short time it will be downloaded. Look here. Yeah, our firmware already downloaded. From here we will extract the file. Inside the extract file we will use only .bin extension file. Now we will log in into our router. After logging into the router, please click on advanced tab and then go to system tool. From here we have to click here firmware update, and finally from here we will update our router firmware version. Click on browse, and from here we will select only .bin extension file for update process. After selecting the bin file, then we will click on update for our update process. It will take some time to complete the update. Do not interrupt the process and do not turn off your router power during the upgrade. After some time the upgrade will be complete successfully. Our update process is started. Within short time it will be finished. Our update process is almost done. Now the router it will be reboot. Our update process is done.